Hello everyone, myself Pritesh Raut. I am a lecturer in Mechanical Department of Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about a lobe type compressor. As we know, the function of compressor is what? To compress the given fluid at a higher pressure and then use that compressed fluid for the different application. So that function of compressor is same for all kind of the compressor. Only difference is what? In their construction. So in their construction point of view, they are different from each other. Otherwise, their function will be the same. Okay. So now let's see the construction and working of the lobe type compressor. So here in the lobe type compressor, it consists of two motors. Okay. So it consists of the two rotors which are driven externally, in which one is connected to drive and second one is connected to gear. Okay, so in this figure we see that it consists of two rotors which are driven externally, and one is connected to drive and second one is connected to gear. Okay, so also this compressor consists of two or three lobes. It may be a two lobes or the three lobe type compressor. Okay, so always remember, there is a very small clearance is provided between the casing and the rotor to prevent the wear. So always remember, there is a very small clearance, okay, in between the casing and rotor to prevent a wear. After that, the shape of that rotor is also the hypocycloid, involute or the cycloid type. So now see the working of this lobe type compressor. So at atmospheric pressure, here at atmospheric pressure, air is taken inside and it is get trapped between the two lobes and between the casing and lobes. So what happen actually, when the air is intake from the atmosphere and it having the pressure, atmospheric pressure, at atmospheric pressure air is intake into the casing where the lobe type arrangement is there, so the air is trapped in between the two lobes and in between the casing and the one of the lobes. Okay, because of that what happen, the compression is take place, because that air will attain very less volume in between the two lobes or between the casing and the lobes. So because of that, the compression is take place in this lobe type compressor, and due to this compression, the pressure of that air get increased, and then that high pressure air then deliver to the receiver, where later on that high pressure or the compressed air then used for the different application. Okay, so this is the working of lobe type compressor, or how the air is compressed in lobe type compressor. Here we discuss. So here in lobe type compressor, air is compressed when it trap in between the lobe, between the two lobes or between the casing and the lobes. So in this way compression is carried out and the compressed air is stored in the receiver. Okay, thank you.